Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज हम फिर से करने वाले हैं एक नया vlog. And as you can see behind me, we have our location for today. We are shooting on Dipika Singh today, so I'm very excited to meet her. Let's see. Let me show you a little bit of jewelry. So we have a sofa here, and then we have a table as well. जिसपे हम खेल सकते हैं अगर हम दोनों. And this is a cute wall. And look at this. How creative is this, guys? Like, this is a tire. So this is our shoot location for today. Maybe most probably this is where we are shooting today. So Deepika's here. अब हम उनका start करने वाले हैं. थोड़ी देर में makeup. And I'm very excited.
और यहाँ पे हम वड़ा पाव पार्टी करते हुए. So here we start off by what she wants. He was telling us, and then we're concealing, and then we're gonna go to base and eyes and hair. She wanted a sleek look because again we were going for something very retro, and she is looking gorgeous, guys. She was slaying the look completely. For the final shots, you can go check out my page or Dipika's page. We both have posted our gorgeous pictures.
Dipika is going and I miss her so much. How was your experience with us?
Amazing. सच में God bless you और खूब सारा काम करो, खूब सक्सेस हो, entitled for a success.
Thank you.
फिर हम लोगों ने अपनी कमर मटकाई एंड बहुत ही अच्छा सा डांस किया साथ में एंड इट वाज सो मच फन बिकॉज दीपिका कोरियोग्राफ द होल डांस हरसेल्फ एंड आई हैड टू जस्ट फॉलो अलोंग. इट वाज इजी. फिर बहुत तेज भूख लगने के बाद हमने खाया टाको बेल एंड जो बीच में हमें एक प्यारी सी बिल्ली से मिले एंड स्टारबक्स के साथ हमने हमारा डे एंड कर दिया.